back with another chicken check-in. So last week, you all joined Luke to talk about chickens' feathers and their wings in the rain. So today, we're going to talk about whether those chickens can fly high in the sky like the birds we see. Do you think chickens can fly and soar high in the sky like the birds we see in the sky? Did you say yes, or did you say no? Well, the answer is no. Chickens can fly, they just can't fly as high in the sky as the birds we see. The reason for that is because their wings are not as big as their bodies, and their bodies are also pretty heavy in weight, so it's kind of hard for them to lift off and take flight. Since chickens are bred for food or to produce eggs, their bodies are naturally bigger than their wings.
Here we are in the chicken coop, which you all have been here before. So remember how I said chickens aren't too good of flyers? Well, they are good enough to reach the top of these ledges to perch on, or to come inside the area where they lay their eggs to lay their eggs. As you see, there's one in here now, and I will show you what she's doing.
So here she is laying her eggs. They haven't laid any eggs for the day, so this will be the first one we receive today. They can also fly high enough to sit on these benches here. Sometimes when I'm sitting down over here, they'll sit right next to me. So how do chickens get around then? Have you ever seen a chicken walk? So before we close out today's video, we're gonna practice walking like chickens. Watch me first. You're gonna put your wings or your arms behind your back, just like the chickens do. Then you're gonna squeeze your knees together and bend down, and then you're gonna walk like this with your head moving like that. Practice with me. Can you all walk like chickens? You see how the chicken's wings are behind her back? And you can see how the chickens are walking. Whew, I'm tired now. I'm sure you all were great at doing that. Thanks for joining today's video, and come back next week for another chicken check-in.